Hello. Good evening. I'm blue. I'm back to being blue. No more pink. It's been a while. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm fully mentally ready to go back to programming. I'm so tired. But we'll do some Godot, and then we'll see how I feel. It may be like half Godot, half like Minecraft or something. Just very I think burned out is the right word. Fixing all those bugs to get the release done for Women's Day sale was like, bro. So we're gonna see what I can get done tonight. So let me see. So it's been 2 months since I last did ELISE. Last time we were doing it, we were making these sound effect and BGM players. We never actually tested them. So that's something we can probably do on stream. And kind of see how they work. The other thing, and the thing I'm going to start with, is adding unit test, the unit testing framework. Mostly because the other 2D. I guess we don't really need 2D. Give me a second. Okay, so we added an inventory system and like an item system. So these are kind of basic stuff, right? And they should be very easy to, you know, how do I say it? Unit test, particularly the inventory, right? Like, adds the number of items to the inventory and returns how many were added, like, you know, stuff like that. So we'll be doing that. I don't think we have too much else. In terms of utilities, like we have like this character movement thing. Get directions sprite. Slice, whatever, but like that's not really, I mean, it could be unit tested, but don't really have to. It's more, I think, important for the stuff, and we'll just like do a basic edition of it and just like make sure it's working properly. And I think that'll be what it is. And then as we add some more complicated things, we can just like add things like you know, when you're doing like add number of items to inventory and returns how many were added, right? It's like, okay, it's doing 2 things. It needs to add it and return how many were added, like, you know, but it's like not quote unquote difficult. So we'll do things like that. So okay, so we're gonna add the unit testing library. It says it lets you do it in C++, which is fine. Editor tools enabled. Okay. Running tests. Filtering tests. Okay. This are not compiled as part of the engine by default. Okay. I see. Interesting. Okay, so tool. I'm just reading the docs. Oh my god, why? I feel very congested all of a sudden. The root of the engine source code. Let's see. Definitely not. I've just realized that the what? Okay, wait. Modules GD script test scripts. What? Wait. Hi Kimani, how are you doing? Oh, I'm reading the docs and it's like this is not clear. Someone needs to their docs are not good, do they? I don't need to know why. Oh my god, medium. They're like this is what a thing is. Okay. Custom class extends of GUT. What? No, Godot has its own testing thing. Why does everyone use this? Oh wait, is it? What? Reading docs. Did you find any? I typed in unit testing for Godot and okay, so like here's the docs. Okay, you're like, okay, cool. Godot supports unit testing, cool. And you're reading it and you're like, what? Right? And then like what? They say they support unit testing, but this doesn't look like correct. This is not what I'm looking for. Why am I starting to stream off? Man, they're like use the Godot unit testing library. I'm like, is this not what it is? And apparently it is not. Engine development. No, I want unit testing for. I guess that's unit testing. Godot game at unit testing. Okay, well, I guess that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, I think this is what I want. Okay. Okay, quick start. Give me a quick start. Run test. Setup. Okay. Click set lib. Okay. Search for gut. This one. Okay. Click it. Click install. There's no install button. This is out of date. Download. Okay. Click install. Holy shit, add-on? Good. That's fine. Okay. You did it. Wow, okay. Activate project settings. From the menu, choose project settings, click plugins. Okay, got enable, close. Okay. Create directories to store your tests. Okay. That's fine. Create new folder. Test. And then they have unit. And then integration. Okay. Setting subpanel. Okay. Good. Setting subpanel. The config. Okay, settings. Exit on finish. Test subdirectories. Okay. All right. Create tests. How difficult is this? Okay. Test unit. Create new script. What is it? A gut test? Okay. And this will be, what is it called? Test example. I'm going to copy paste it. We're going to see if it works. Okay. Ooh, okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's tiny. Okay, well that was easy. Wait a second. If everything is set up correctly, then you'll see some passing and failing tests. Scripts, none. Tests, none. Passing, none. Great. Okay, never mind. Quarter of an hour of confusion. Well, it's cause it's not actually, it's not the Godot one. Give me a second. It's this. Okay, so, okay, some of these are supposed to be actually failing. Okay. Cannot find the script matching. Check your script prefix suffix setting. Huh? Oh, why is this so big? The script prefix is test underscore example. Okay. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's like an add-on? Yeah. So I think that the unit tests that Godot offers is they're talking about the engine. Like, how do you test the engine? But I'm not making modifications to the engine, so I don't give a shit. I want to test my own code. So I guess that's what this is. People said there was like 2 of them. There's like what or gut. And people were like, oh, I recommend gut. And I was like, how easy is gut? Oh, okay, well. Well, didn't work. Test something else, didn't work. Okay. At line 28. Okay. Line 28. Wait, give me a second. Assert true, false, didn't work. Okay, that's fine. Why would you use a UT for the engine? Is modifying a game engine a recurring thing? If you're well, because Godot is open source, right? So if they're adding features, you have to unit test the engine. You just have to. Like, I worked on an engine before. You have to unit test the whole damn thing. Everything. So since Godot is an open source project, it makes sense that they would have like unit testing. Godot devs work, right? But yeah, but like if I said, like, for example, I want this feature in the engine, or I find a bug, right? And I can go report it, but if it's easy enough, I could just fix it and make the commit myself. Right? So it makes perfect sense. Okay. So I guess okay, so before each, okay, so this does fixtures. Ooh. Do you know how unit testing works? I'm very interested in how they did that. Inner test classes. Ooh, simple example. Ah. Okay, details. All test scripts must extend test class. Before each runs before each test, runs after each test, runs once before each test running. Fixed test. Except parameterized tests. Okay, what do you do for parameterized tests? Params, okay, it's a so it's like, hey, we did this engine, but if you find something not working and want to solve it for yourself, take this, do our work, and then report it. Not quite. Because it's not like Godot is not Unity. Godot is not Unreal. Unreal is probably a better example because Unreal is open source. So it's not quite like Epic is like, oh, hey, you found a bug. Thanks for, whatever. But, well, a lot of engines are moving to more open sourcey stuff anyways. Why is the text here so freaking big? Oh, why is it so big? Because Godot is a... Hello. Take breaks, thank you. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, because it's like a foundation or whatever. It's like some dudes have an open source project and then it got really popular and now it's a thing, kind of. So it's not really like, hey, thanks for doing our work. It's like, hey, you want to contribute? Okay, go ahead. This is how you do it. Because I have open source projects as well. People can contribute, but so far everyone who's tried to contribute has like not done the bare minimum to read. So okay, so parameterized tests, they use a map array map thing that use parameters, food parameters. Okay, I see. Okay, parameter factory. I see. Okay, and then you use arrays to make structs. Why the fuck would you not just make structs? Okay. Wait, they got spies? Do you know about spies? Find it weird to include a unit test for the engine by default. Because it doesn't seem like something that the average user would use. It's actually not. So that's the thing. It's hidden behind a toggle. You have to build the engine in a unit test mode to do edits on the engine and unit test it. But it's not weird for an engine to have unit testing like already set up with it. Yeah. Because obviously, like, as like, you know, the engine maintainers, like, you know, the foundation, you're like, okay, we're gonna use Google test, and someone comes along and says, hey, actually I want to use, I don't know, something else. Like, you're like, well, we already have the Google test project set up. You just flick this switch and you can access it and add to it. And they're like, yeah, but I like this one better. And it's like, that's nice, but this is what we're using. Like, you have to enforce things like that. Ooh. Okay, so they also have spies for this. That's useful. Why would you call it doubling? You just like, you're not sure what double is. Test double. Is it really called test double? Why would it be called that? Okay. Why does Wikipedia call it test double? Never heard it used like that. That's so confusing. Anyways, it's just spy objects and mock objects. Okay, well that's good that they have that. Inputs in an input factory. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, you can fake. That's interesting. Okay, wait. Okay, so what we're gonna do. Okay. So this is our example one, but I don't want it. So we're gonna rename this. We're gonna rename this to item, I think. Or actually, maybe. Hi, Majin. How you doing? Actually, we'll do inventory because that's well, actually. I can hide that. Equal parts busy and frustrated. Oh. Can I close? Oh, can I close? Okay. Close other tabs. So we want item and let's just open item. There we go. Well, hopefully you won't be too frustrated for long. Okay. So this will be class test item. Hi Nick, how are you doing? I'm doing good. I'm a little sleepy. I have to I was just laying with the dogs. I have to change my bed sheets. They're like fur encrusted, and I'm like, oh, allergies they hit. You're doing well. That's good. Yeah, and I'm a little tired too because like the demo update is out for Women's Day sale, which started yesterday. And just like looking at code right now, I'm like, I want to do it. You know? Okay, so. Okay. Can't I just, give me a second. Class name inventory. Class name item. I don't think I need to load things. For each. This is your setup. Indent? Unexpected indent? Why is this unexpected? Break. How cool, Jazz. How many indents did you expect? I hate, why can't we have brackets? Why can't we have brackets? Why do you not like this? I don't understand. See, like it. Item not found base self. Okay, so now it's okay. What? That's wild. It can't be the same line. Someone tells them to put brackets in. I swear to fuck. Okay. It's a class name though. Why can't you? Yeah, there it is. Okay. All right. So we're gonna test example. Okay, so search true let item. Do you have to put a string? I hope you don't have to. All right. Do not convert resource at line 11. Passing none. Failing 1. Scripts 2. Test 1. Okay. It makes me sad. Okay. Alright, so by default, the item ID question. Assert equals is not found in base. What is it? What asserts do you have? Assert. Oh, it's assert. Okay, mind. Got expected text, and text can be optional. Okay, cool. All right, I'll test pass. Yay. Okay. So test default ID is invalid. Okay. Okay, and then when we init it, func test ID is clamped on init. So that will do like item. Right. Oh, we have sell prices and stuff here. Yeah, but we won't need that just yet. Okay, so then we do sort of equals. Cool. This is lower bound. We'll do upper bound. is this? Can I... Is there a quick jump to? No. Okay, it's just 0. Nice. So default ID is invalid. ID is clamped on init, lower bound, upper bound check. Okay, so we're good on that. That's kind of all we have right now. Let's get name. This is more of an item, like item utilities. Get enum name. Ooh. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's do the item utilities. Let's see. It's probably best if we organize our unit tests folder. This will be inventory. And this one is create new folder. Utilities. It should match. Otherwise you like script. Is there a way to make it default? Actually, something that's weird is, where's the config? Script prefix. I don't think you need to have this. As long as you have your test directories. So I'm gonna actually get rid of that. That's annoying. It's probably just to make things easier, but... Oh, but now it's super ugly up here. Okay, wait, never mind. Fine. Fine, okay. So... I don't think I need that. I think we need get name. Test get name. Invalid. Okay, and then we want to assert that it's equal if we do item utilities get name, and we'll pass in -1. It should be 0. Like, it should be empty. Does it work? You crashed. Wait. Ah, I see. It was already restricted. Okay, so really it's good job past me. Okay. So it's already restricted. Cool, we don't need to test for that. Item ID. What is it? Last element. Index. It should return error. We don't have anything else to test for now. For that. Eventually you'd want to parameterize test this so that actually we could do that. Where's the parameterized test? Cool. Define. Wait, should we be using assert? Do they not have expect, or is it only assert? Replace node. Okay, it seems like it's only assert. Okay. Something about this is familiar. What? The unit testing? All item IDs have values. So, the song. Oh, yeah, this song is from Poke and Chill, Pokemon. Alright. I really would like to do a parameterized test, but it won't really let me. How do you do? Yeah, it's called National Park. I don't know what it's a remix of exactly, but it's Pokemon. How do you do for loop again? I feel like Godot just does stuff in such a stupid way. Why are you giving me? I just want to see it. Oh, it does. Okay. Okay. So for ID in will this work? Okay. Cool. Is it? Okay, it's. Get name of ID. This. Okay. What? Invalid call to function get name and base GD script expected 0 arguments? What? Are you kidding me? Why are you... You piece of shit. Why? It doesn't... Why do you think... Oh. Piece of shit. Run. Now convert argument 1 from string to int? What do you mean string to int? It's in the... Alright. Risky did not assert. What do you mean it did not assert? Oh boy, +1. Okay. I guess it only goes up to... Okay. Oops. All right. All items IDs have values. Okay, good. Get enum name. Keys of ID. Okay, so basically we shouldn't get an empty value. Okay. Enum names of values. Very good. Okay. Next. See, technically I don't need this. I just care that everything has a value. Okay. So item utilities has tests, item IDs have tests. We only do IDs right now. I'm gonna get rid of this. The comments. I'm not gonna use it anytime soon, it's fine. item utilities is good. Okay, so now we just have the inventory. Yep. Will be test inventory. And we need to make a new inventory every time. So for the inventory, a new inventory is empty by default. So test empty inventory when default inventory empty. Default inventory empty, and that is assert equals inventory dot, what is it? Get is empty. Do is empty. Return inventory dot empty. The next one is let's see. I'm just double checking. Okay, so we only care that it's an item with an ID. We don't actually, we just assume that the ID is correct because it's been initialized, which is generally true. So what we're gonna do is test this number of items this inventory has provided on. We've already tested that it's empty by default, so it's fine. What we'll do is we'll do so test add inventory, and it'll be inventory, no items. So this is pretty simple. So assert. So if we add nothing, it should give us nothing. So inventory assert equals inventory. Add item and 0, and it should be we add nothing. And then the same thing for remove. No items. Remove no items. Right. Basically, next is from test add there's no maximum associated, so we don't have to test for that yet. It's just we have to add something. So test add item. So get count of item is 0, and then we say let's say 5. Add item count. Expect this to be count, and then if we do the get count call, we should get the same amount. And then for removing, we'll add 5 items. And then let's see. 2. And we assert and remove. How much it is, and then this should be the same here. We run that. Failed. 0 line 24, line 33. Okay, interesting. Add item failed. Line 24. That's wrong. Let's see here. The existing count is 0. We're adding 5. 5 minus the adjusted account. Why are we doing that? Okay, working fine. Let's try removing. Wait, test remove more than What do we have? More than max. So we are going to add it doesn't really matter. And then we are going to remove more than we have. Wait, give me a second. How many were removed? How many were added? Oh, that's why. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Okay, that's why I had that thing. Okay. So if count, well, okay, wait. Oh, my brain hurts. It's not even that difficult. It's not even that difficult. Oh, goodness. I want the difference. This is how much we already have. This is the difference. Yeah, there we go. This is my unit test. So we add it, remove more than the max, then we're not into negatives, which is correct. I suppose the only thing we have left is that the adding 2 items and getting the count. They're different values. That's the only one. Yes. Add 2 items. Okay. So make new item. And I set it to something invalid. Maybe it's right on the scope. Okay. So we're gonna add And then just making sure that it's not adding them together. It's a little overkill, but there we go. Alright, there's our inventory test. Look, and we fixed bugs. It was worth it, see? That's why you test this basic shit. So if I ever break it in the future, I'm not gonna hate myself. Okay. I'm glad the unit testing library, this one is pretty, like, it seems like it's pretty good. Ahead. And then we didn't actually make any changes to that, so we'll discard. Nice, okay. Okay. Yes, reload. Alright, let's see, let's close all this, close all. I was gonna do audio stuff because we're like almost there, but I just thought that might be really annoying to listen to. So maybe not. Because I think I just have to test it. But we can do I guess a basic cutscene objects. See, I haven't looked into if some people have made cutscene systems for Godot, but I feel like you probably haven't. I don't know. Or it's like way more like, okay, G drama. Wait, apparently I've looked at this before. Give me a second. Can I share a window? Why is it so tiny? Alright. So apparently I've looked at this before, but I don't remember it. So we're gonna look at it again. Is it called G-Drama? Simple framework for writing cutscenes in Godot. It supports a bunch of features. Okay. Hey, over here, did you like it? but like, that might be why I didn't like it. Oh goodness. E. Welcome to the Dream Drama demo. Okay. Okay. E. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's see here. E. Tutoriana, okay. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you again. Okay. I see, I see. Are there other options here? Oh! Jeez, okay. Oh no, okay. I see, it's a very simple... But what does it look like? Oh. Hello. Alright. Well, that's a thing. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Worst case, I just remove it. What? Holy shit. Resources, audio. Why would it import all this shit? Why would you? Holy shit, they put like everything in here. Get rid of that. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna go to the GitHub and see the source code. Okay. I see. So it's let me pull up their he's gonna get blasted with the white. Oh. No dark mode here. So it seems like yeah, they have this for like a screenplay, but this is similar to actually how Chatterbox works, actually. And Yarn. They're just calling it beats instead of like nodes, and then the tom thing or what, like that's fine. And this is your text that appears, and then like or dislike. Okay. Beat name. I see. Okay. Oh, that's resources. Okay, so dramas. Example. Okay. And it's called .g drama. Okay. Then what about... Okay, so this is the sign. Get flag. Past directions. I see. Okay, so it's not that difficult. Question is just, I don't think they have it as a node editor thingy in here. Like, I don't think they have a UI, which is a little unfortunate, but okay, and then okay. Yeah, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. We'll go back to the what are they doing here? Oh, they have a cutscene trigger. Okay. Hawk. Okay. Okay, so this is what they're doing. Enter cutscene area. Okay, here. Area that will get parent, display trigger, and drama interface. Oh, okay. It's a circle with the node, collision shape. When you enter the area. Okay. Okay. Let me commit this. This is the so what we need to do is actually I kind of have it already, but audio inventory, singleton tools, utilities tools. Oh, yeah. Cat, Chelsea, there. So there's these interactable objects. And I have like, where do I put it? Right here. So you have like an input key to interact with them because it's very generic. And I've already made this. And so, I'll press unrelease unheld, right? So if you wanted it to be like pushing a box, it'd be a specific button. And, oh my goodness. If it'd be dialogue, it'd have a different button and it'd have different. And you override all this. Do exit, on press, on release, on hold. Do enter. So, let's see. What we need to do is there's system. I'm gonna put events. Because there's really three types of events you need for an RPG. It's just parallel, action, and player events. So this interactable handles player and player and action events. Because it's an interactable, you can enter into the area, right? And do something. Or, you know, enter into the area and then interact with it based off the key. So I'm just thinking, thinking that I'm gonna create a new script. It's gonna be node is fine, I guess. This is gonna be event. And it's really gonna be, yeah, not even a node. It's just a resource. In utilities, we have event utilities. Okay. So for an event, it pretty much it's more similar to this. Why are you complaining? In that it's gonna have an ID. And I guess if we're gonna use G-Drama, it'll have a I guess a G-Drama script. Just trying to think. Yeah. Let's just double check. What did they do? Okay. So yeah, they had a variable called G-Drama path. Just a resource. Well, I don't know if I want to call it path. And then it had a resources dramas, okay. And these are things that, why are you complaining? Can't find inventory? Why can't? It was fine before. Why can't you find inventory? Item ID? Not resolved member item. ID, okay. Not resolved the item utility? Why can't you resolve item utilities? Class name, item utilities. That's weird. You have to like step through each one? Like, why can't you rebuild? Is there no clean button? Why do you not know what an inventory is? That is so stupid. What? I literally didn't change anything. Okay. Do they not have clean and build but okay. You know what? Okay. Great. I thought I set this up to like error out on me if I didn't put this in, but okay. Alright, can't use export. Okay. G drummer resource. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. I think it actually wanted it to be a path. Okay. So we have a start event. Well, okay, wait. We have, so this is the ID. This is the actual cutscene script. I might change this. I have it generated off of the ID because that's what I do for Gotela, but like that brings in different issues, so I don't know. Because like for Gotela I do like event underscore number underscore, like this is the file name, short description, and then inside the file the function name is like function event underscore number, but this is ID number, and that's how it looks it up, which it works, but that also means that when I do my this, I'm like, okay, this one's 0, this one's like 45, because sometimes I have to go in here and find it, and it's kind of annoying. So maybe we'll manually assign it like this. Okay, but yeah, so we have ID, this is the cutscene itself. Then we have actually, how does G-Drama do with localization? I did not get an answer. I think Google didn't give me a quick answer. I guess that's something I'll have to look into. Because I know that I think Unreal will generate IDs for you. I haven't looked into what localization does for Godot yet. I haven't tested it. Alright. But anyways, so you have an ID, you have validation IDs. This is alright. Yep. And then you have deletion IDs. So validation IDs are basically go for ID in validation ID, right? You go if Oh, it doesn't work like how I think. I keep like it's not this, which is so annoying. One of these days I'll learn it. NM if idle, okay. If not, return false. Otherwise it's going to continue. And then we do return true. I wish there were brackets. Okay. So basically the event's only valid to be executed. Returns if the event is valid. Executed. And then thing in it, which is basically can we destroy an init? Or is it better to do it already? Oh, I guess if it's a constructor, you shouldn't destroy a constructor. That's fine. I'll do ready. There we go. But oh wait, but a resource doesn't have ready, does it? I don't think it does. Well, I guess because it's a resource. Okay, I'll just say it's valid. So if ID equals this, false. If cutscene. If it's configured wrong, it'll just never. Ideally, like this should be, this is a valid configuration. Okay, there we go. So for any object that ends up using an event resource, we'll call here first, and if it's not valid, we'll just delete the thing once it gets created. Yeah, so this makes it so that all these have to be valid. So if I were to make a resource, give me a second. Double check. Create new resource. Okay. Test event. Okay. I see. Do I have to, can I specify the... Change this to path. No path, editor path. Must be null. No. Okay. It's not an editor path. It's a new resource. New drama resource. It's not that really. It's you not type an array? Because That's annoying because then I'd have to know the number, and I don't want to know the number. I want to select the ID. Right? Like I want to... What is the point of typing? Oh. Hi Ruby. Hi Ruby Raiders. How are you doing? How's your stream? Oh, wait, can you? Oh, you can. Okay. Ah, nice. Okay. Bunny Raid. Were you playing Overwatch? I can't remember. I thought I saw a pop-up that said you were playing Overwatch. It was good. You played Fallout 4 and Astral Party, like Mario Party, but anime and free. Huh. Wait, I've never heard of Astral Party. Oh, I see. That's cute. Why is it mixed? Why does it have mixed reviews? Oh, server's bad. There's gacha system? Okay. My Wi-Fi doesn't like Overwatch at the moment. Oh, damn. It did have some bad reviews because of launch, but you've had fun playing? Okay, well that's good. I mean, that's the important part. Okay. Type 2... You were playing with potato today? Did you win? That's the important question. Did you win? The path, okay. Like what type of property? Resource path, okay. Oh, is it like resource path? What? Oh, that's the property. What's a node path? Oh, okay. Wait. Is that what I want? I don't know if that's what I want. No. You did win today. Oh, that's nice. The second game we got disconnected. Well, that's a win. I think they didn't anticipate so many people playing the game. I guess. Are they using Steam servers? Steam gives you servers. Or maybe they're doing something else. Node path ain't it. What might be? If cutscene is empty. Okay. And then we'll open this again. Ah, okay, so it's assigning it based off of a node. But I want it to be a okay, so I think string name is what I actually want. Nope. You're not sure, but they seem like they're a small team. They crowdsourced to fix some stuff in game. Huh, that's interesting. Do you think you'll add a water blueberry redeem? What do you mean a water blueberry redeem? Like what? Like the water, the blueberry? Water the blueberry or something. I don't know. That's the first time someone's asked. I still haven't decided on the blueberries design though. He's just here chilling for now. I'm thinking, I don't know. Like, I kind of want you to be able to pat the blueberry. Some sunshine head pat. Yeah, like I'm thinking maybe like pat it or something. Or because it's squishy, you can like squish it. Like, I'm not sure. I have to like figure it out. Oh, dog's crying. Okay, wait, give me a second. Oh, sorry. Lately, like, when Charlie needs to go out, he, like, yells like he's gonna die. So. Well, anyways, he's good. Looks like they shut down servers for maintenance. That's why we got disconnected. Oh, okay. That's a shame, but I guess that makes sense. Okay, wait. Event validation IDs, deletion IDs, the scene. Oh, is it this? Ah! Oh, and you can specify the type of file. This is what I was looking for. Okay, thank you. Thank you, docs. Why was this so hard? Yeah, and then I would go into, like, I don't know, events. Drama. Good. Okay. Oh, you can export colors. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Cause that way, if we want to add it, right? Like, filters a string. So project folder and a subfolders. Property hint. Oh. Yeah. So ideally, like, I'd set up a, let's see. Create new folder. We'll call this events. Okay. We do. Okay. So it doesn't apply to the folder. Okay. That's fine. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. But yeah, okay. That's what I wanted. So you can have like this event resource. You assign it an ID, and then you assign it a G-drama object. And then any validation stuff or deletion IDs. Cool. Alright. And then depends if the event is valid to be executed. This returns if the event is configured correctly. Right. And then those are kind of the three things you only need for the event stuff. Well, there's also like can be reviewed, like viewed again. But these are like cutscene events, so they're different. There's like an event like if we use D-drama for like everything, like all dialogue, then like interaction events only just need this, but a cutscene has requirements. Okay. Configured correctly, valid to be executed. So execute. If not is valid, it'll return. This is a void event. Oh, yeah. Oops. You saw the Ruby, if you're still here, you saw the thing I sent, the short. Yeah. I made a short from our Stardew thing. Give me a second. Can I get a link? There we go. Oh no, I thought it was cute. I put a lot of effort into that one. doing the effect was an interesting issue that I encountered. So this doesn't return, it executes the cutscene. So we're not valid, we're gonna return to do. So to do, we'll actually do the execution. What else have we got? Okay, so event utilities. Okay, event is completed, right? So this will be 2. This is the event. Complete event. So this one, just put the interface for now. So I have to read in the GD script a bit. Or not GD script. The G drama stuff. So this returns if the event completed. Okay. This one will start an event if it is valid. Okay. First an event if it is valid, and then this one will just completes an event regardless. Oh, that's fine. So So technically what this is supposed to do is, so we need to check. So instead of pinging the save file constantly to see if something is completed or not, because that's usually quite expensive, you check if the in-memory event tracker has the completed event. If not, well, has the event status, right? If not, load from save. The editing was great for this short. I'm glad you liked it. I was like, this should be fine. Yeah, it was. That's the first time I've had like 2 people in a short, and I was like, how do I do this? And then also, like, I didn't have, like, I think your VOD even had the PNG, so I was like, I don't think I didn't have the VOD, so it's not like I could get your model talking. And then I was like, wait, but what if your VOD doesn't have the model? So I think you've been using the PNG a lot lately. Okay, and then starts an event if it is valid. So to do event, if complete event. Okay, so to do if it is valid, so what we have to do here, yeah, I'm trying to bring 3D Ruby back, especially since I'm loving new floofy hair. Yeah, I saw that Vroid did an update with like a bunch of different hairstyles and stuff. I don't know, I was updating and I was like, oh, that's weird. Like, not weird, but like, ooh, okay, they added things. Not that I'll use it, but that's nice. Starts an event if it's valid, so to do well, let me see. Normally you pass in the ID and then do a bunch of stuff with it, but we don't have to do that if it's so we need to execute at the event object or resource. Change actually, I'm not gonna put that there. No. We're just gonna check if valid. check if game state is valid. And then we have check if event is valid. Check if game state valid. Change game state. That's maybe. Someone who studied video editing, video production was well done. Oh, thank you. It's hard. It's like those shorts take like 1 to 2 hours to make, and it's only like 30 seconds long. And I'm just like, ah. But that's what I'm doing on my off Fridays now, instead of doing Final Fantasy 14 on stream. I have a bunch of like from each stream. I write down an idea that happened, and then I may have recorded it or not, and then I just like add it to the list, and then when it's like editing day, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna edit one of these. And which one do I like the most right now, and then I grab it. So that's what I've been doing so far this year. I think it's been working out. Mark the event as complete. Okay. Yeah, so we mark the event as complete, and then we with event tracker, and then we need to edit 2 lengthy videos and use 2 PCs in the computer lab on campus when I supposed to. That must be difficult, because like 30 seconds is like 2 hours of work. So like how long is lengthy? Like, are we talking like 5 minutes, or are we talking like an hour? That's crazy. Well, then again, I guess the short is more heavily edited than a compilation thing. Okay, complete the event. Mark the event as complete with the event tracker, and then you need to change. You shouldn't need to change the event state. Sorry. So the event actually has a pre-event and post-event. Enum file. Technically, it's a script, right? Pre-event script. Okay. Post-event script. So. This will always run. I guess. Wait. A lot of footage, and he made an interview promo and a music video. Oh my goodness! The guy I interviewed kept making this popping sound with his lips that I had to go in and edit out, which was a nightmare. Oh. That's like but like I guess it was much louder. That's hard. Oh, like the audio stuff. Louder, yeah. Like like it's like when people like with the S's and the T's and the, you have to edit. It was a nervous habit. What was a interview promo thing, right? Okay, so a fun fact. When a couple years ago, Ottawa Games, we went around and we interviewed people for like a 30-second or less thing on Twitter. I think, can I find the video? So I went to literally everyone for a local art gallery. Yeah, I went to literally everyone who was doing Global Game Jam. And I was like, hey guys, do you want to be interviewed? And we got 30 plus people. I'm gonna see if I can find it. It's a bit, I mean, it's from a few years ago, but I'm gonna see if I can find it. 2023, oh goodness. I was complaining we don't have enough activity in this, but I was wrong. There's too many. Ooh. Okay, I won't be able to find it today. And I told everyone, okay, all you have to do is say, hi, my name is so and so, or you know, whatever, and then what are you making for Global Game Jam? That's it, right? And it's very interesting because everyone's like, okay, yeah, I got it. And every single person would be like, yeah, I got it. And then I'm like, okay, 3, 2, 1. And I said, I told them after I said 1, wait a breath because I'm going to cut it so you don't have to worry about it. And then say what you want to say, right? And I said to them, we can do retakes. It's fine. So don't worry about it. And every single person would be like, okay, yeah, but we won't need them. And then we needed like 3 or 4 retakes. It's very interesting because like everyone would be like going in and they'll be like ready to go. And then like they'd like freeze. So like, you know, a nervous tick with the, I'm not surprised that, you know, some people would have that. You had to, one guy, oh, he just didn't want, I was like, are you sure you don't want to watch the video to make sure like it's saved and it's what you want? And he's like, nah, I'm good. And he like walked away and his was the only one that got corrupted on save. I felt bad. Oh. But he didn't want to see it or listen to it or anything. I was like, okay, buddy. You had to find someone who visited there. So there were actually 2 interviews with a lot of B-roll. B-roll. Alright, I have to think of this. Because this is... Okay, so there's actually 2 different types of post-event scripts. Do I use pre-event? I don't think so. So a post-event script is script that plays when event is completed. So I think no description available. What? Does it have the same line? What? Okay. We had to get them to sign something before the interview, just as a precaution if they sue or whatever later. Anyone we interviewed had to sign it. Yeah. You were just kind of like, okay, by like you're literally just saying your name and the thing you're working on. Like it wasn't like a full interview type thing, but I can see that happening. I did an interview once where I thought they were going to be interviewing me about Gatela, and they asked me about my opinions of women with big boobs in video games. And I was standing there and I was like, what? And it was a very like reputable quote unquote organization. So I was just like, I'm standing here at a convention behind my game, and you come over to me and you say, hi, can we interview you on the event? And I was like, okay. And they're like, so what's your opinion of women in video game characters who are women with big boobs? I was like, did I hear you right? I was like, what? I was like, they're fine? Like, that's not really important. Like, what? And he's like, okay, thanks. And then the article was posted, and I was like, first they got my name wrong. Then they said that I was an attendee at the event. I was like, all right, you can't even do an interview properly, bro. So I'm never gonna talk to them ever again. This is event complete. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do event completed script. Completed script. Okay, and then so this is a cutscene script. Sorry. Okay. So I think there's a problem with people insinuating something about someone with big boobs. Women come in all shapes and sizes. Cup size. Yeah. Like I was kind of flabbergasted. I was like, okay, so this script that plays when the cutscene is completed, as long as the is completed. Example. That's how you feel about Tifa? Is she even? She's not even counting, really. The person in question, like, they were asking me, like, because of the like they were asking me about like the really weird ones, and I was just like, it doesn't matter, like how they're treated in the context of the game is what matters. I mean, like, you can hate a design, but like and I was just flabbergasted that they asked me, and I was like, it doesn't matter. Okay, so post cutscene script, post event script. I need a post event script. And a celebrity in real life was allowed to be a gospel singer because they were big chested. What? That's stupid. Note that this will not play if you need. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain this because I don't need to write this down for myself. A post cutscene script. This is what I ran into with Gatela. This is the thing that will play as long as the cutscene was started. It'll play it. So, like, for example, if you hit that skip button for the cutscene, this will always play. And so this is where you put things like adding things to inventory, triggering skits, etc. Any sort of state change to like the actual party or composition or anything to your inventory from the cutscene. That's what goes in here. This one, script that plays when the event is completed. This is basically will always get triggered, and it's usually like world changes. So like if a character is visible on the screen or whatever, then this will get triggered. I think I will actually add a pre-event script, and this is when this becomes valid. What does it do? Oh. For the world. Yeah. Script that plays when the event becomes valid. So this should only be executed once. And by default, we're gonna cache this. Oh, hydrate. Because once it's true, it's always true. There we go. Make sure to hydrate. Yes, I just drank all my juice. Oh. Now, I don't know if I talked about it. I discovered that you can meal prep smoothies. It sounds so obvious when I say it out loud, but every single how do I put it? Every single like meal preppy thing with smoothies always shows it like with the raw ingredients, and I'm like, but what is the point, right? All right, so if we're valid, let me return well. Okay. This is basically if true, return true, but anyways. And then we do results false. Okay. False, that's false. And then down here we do valid equal to true, and then we return. So if we've already determined ourselves to be valid, it'll have been triggered true, and then we'll do don't let the blueberry know what you're drinking. Well, it wasn't blueberry juice, so it's fine. Let me think. I think we're here. Maybe I'll do I have to figure this out. Because this may not be the best place to do this. Caches the valid state of the event. Yeah. Yeah, so they always like show like people putting in these containers like chopped up fruit and stuff. Can't use the S word smoothie. Well, I mean, here. Where are they? There. There, they're gone. Okay. We can talk about it now. Yeah, they always show it like pre-cut up and stuff, and I'm like, but you still have to make it. Like, you didn't do any meal prep. The fruit's already frozen and cut up. You just assemble it in blender, and I'm like, but the blending part is the part that's like the effort for me. Like, because I buy the big bag of like frozen fruit. So all I have to do is like scoop it out, put it into the blender with the yogurt, and like blend it. And the juice, right? And I'm like, oh, where's the, like, I'm not making a kale smoothie. Like, I don't have to do anything. So I was making smoothies this week, and it was a blueberry smoothie, actually. Valid to be executed, configured correctly, caches to valid state. Okay. Event, post event, okay. And and yeah, basically, how do I put it? I found out, you know, like after you blend it, you could just freeze that. Because I have these like soup molds. I've talked about that. They're like 2-cup soup molds. They're like perfect sized for it. You just pour it into the soup mold and then freeze it, and then when you're ready to have it, defrost it. Blueberry's gonna be missing some family members. Yeah, like strawberry and banana, mango. Alright, so we have that. There's our event. Okay. Give a second from story. Okay, basically this is just gonna say if we don't have a valid configuration, then we're gonna loop through all these and their deletion IDs. For ID and deletion ID. If the event is not completed, then we return false. And we return true. So cruel. Okay. So this will do. Why is this not considered in a description? Is it because it needs to be Ah, okay, I was missing. Returns if the event should be destroyed. So destroy event if it's not a valid configuration, if the IDs, right? If our ID is completed, then true. And if it is not, check our deletion IDs, otherwise return true. Cool. Do I make any veggie smoothies? I've had some before and liked them, but maybe I like V8 as well. I drank V8 every day for like 6 years. I don't really, I haven't tried making veggie smoothies, but I don't know. Because what I'm looking for from like a drink or something is like is it cold and is it sweet? It doesn't have to be super sweet. It just has to be like on the sweet side or something, and cold. I'm not a big like warm drinker. If it's negative 30 degrees outside, that better be a cold coffee. Well, maybe not in that case. All right. You like fruit smoothies? When is your favorite? Was this dragon fruit smoothie you had from a smoothie cafe? Oh. Yeah, I think it's cheaper to make your own smoothie. I'm not sure. I bought a 2-kilogram bag of the frozen fruit, and that was like $13. And when I think about like how much booster juice is, that's like what? And the yogurt was on sale as well. The frozen fruit was on sale too. That's why it wasn't more expensive. The yogurt was on sale. So that's like, yeah, cheaper than booster juice. Yeah. So I'm gonna try tomorrow. I'm gonna be making like a week's worth of smoothies, and then maybe not a week's worth, maybe like 4 days worth of smoothies. Because I have 2 molds. Well, not 2 molds. Each mold has 4 cups. So I'm gonna be making 4 molds, I guess, blocks of smoothie tomorrow. I'm gonna see how it goes, and that'll be like not a week's worth, but like half the week at least. Because once you have everything out and you're like making it, and if you're making like the same smoothie, it's like I could just blend it and then put it in and freeze it as a cube, and then like let it defrost overnight or something in a bottle. Like it's I'm gonna try that out this week. I froze pasta sauce. Like I used half a jar of pasta sauce, so I froze the other half. I'm gonna see how that works. All right, we got an event. It's kind of working. This is all to do. Just have to think about it a little, because we don't even have a save file yet. So, and I don't have game state either. Wait, give me a second. We don't have game state. System, singleton, constants. Yeah, we don't even have game state. Give me a second. I'm gonna add it to do. Yeah, we need to add a state machine. Okay. Is that in my backlog? No. Quick meals for later. Yeah, that's what I did today. I had I made a big batch of French onion soup. I guess it was last year at this point, but it was like last quarter. Your freezer's your friend for making food last longer? Yes. I'm trying to eat through my freezer right now. I bought a bunch of stuff last year. And I say last year, but it's like June and onwards. Like meat and stuff. And I froze it. And I'd have to deal with it. Like for example, they had like 10 pork chops for sale one week, and I bought it. And it's like, okay, cool. Now I have to I should turn that into tonkatsu, right? So that I can just like make rice, and then I just have to reheat it, and it's good. Ready, inventory new, toggle it. Okay. Yes, we don't have an event system. Or I mean, we don't even have a state machine. And soups are really good. I ate through, yeah, so the French onion soup I made in like October or something. I found a pumpkin pie in there from Thanksgiving, because the recipe made 2 pies. So I'm gonna eat that this week. I have people coming over. I have tomatoes I grew from last year. I have to blanch them and then can them so that I can use it as like chopped tomatoes or whatever. You're hungry now? You need food? Sorry. I do have to start on my seeds though. In the greenhouse. It seems like gardening season's gonna start earlier. I'm not sure. So I have to plant them, get them to germinate so that I can get that ready to go. I'll mostly just do it for tomatoes and basil. But alright, let's see. I need this, close. We don't really need this. Inventory item utilities. We tested this. Close docs, okay. Yeah, we don't need to test this. Ooh, I wanted a snack when I let the dog out, but I didn't have anything convenient. Match BGM, okay. Wait, what were we doing? Sound effects, BGM. Oh, okay. We hadn't gotten that far, okay. Okay. So let me commit what we have. Just thinking. We didn't make any changes, discard. Didn't make any changes, discard. It's weird, you open the file and it marks it as changed. Sage. Commit. There we go. You're gonna fix some food. Okay. Okay, so let's see. We don't have a okay. So here we can add an in-memory event tracker. It's pretty simple. An array of event utilities dot event ID. Okay. And so there's our event tracker. So here we'll do if constants. So if it's in that event list, actually this should be a map because we're gonna store the state. Give me a second. It's actually a dictionary. I don't think you can. Yeah. It's unfortunate. If it has this, then we do events of is it ID? Yeah. If not, load from save. Okay, that's a to-do. We don't have saves yet. We're not this far. Start an event if it is valid. Okay. So if event dot is valid, we'll just return. It's not valid, we're gonna return. I'll hard code that there, just so it's clear. Okay. So that way we can't start an event that might get destroyed. Then we start an event if it's valid. So if it is not valid, we'll return. Check if game state valid. We don't have game state yet. Complete event. Mark the event as complete with the item tracker. So constants dot events of event dot ID. Just in case. If event dot destroy event. We're gonna destroy the event. Don't mark it. Not load from save, which would be load from save, and this is the fallback. So now it's in there and we don't have to ever load from save again. There's probably some other stuff. Normally I do like a bunch of other stuff with the state, but may not need to do it here. Okay. game state is needed. Okay. So let's make an event holder. So an event holder holds an event. And it's just a node. But the important thing is that it's like the life cycle stuff is all kind of handled by it. Just make it a event holder. Holder the right one. Yeah, we'll just call it that for now. So basically it has an event, which, you know, has all this stuff. And then we'd have so if we were to make an event holder, yeah, that's fine. Okay, wait, yeah. So this thing, can Godot extend from multiple? Oh, yeah. I don't think so. Why are people? I just want to know if you can do multiple inheritance. Why aren't people already yelling? Okay, so I think what we want to do is the node thing, like we have here, interactable, whatever. Because the interactable, it says area 2D. And so the event holder holds the event information, and the I'm thinking like when you get to like a player event, right? It holds how do I put put it? Yes, the event holder, you know, it whatever, and then it has the event life cycle stuff in it, and then the interactable will have the actual interactable logic, the collision box, etc. for interacting, and then the player event has both of those. And then if you were to make an NPC player event, it'd be so much easier if I could just have multiple inheritance. Then it has like a player object. Well, not really. It has a character. Right. Reload. Right. Maybe not work. It's hard. Hard to say. But I'm thinking like for example, if the event destroy event what is it? Q free? Yeah, so for the event holder, queue free, what we'll do is export parent node. I don't think node path is what I want, but maybe I'll just do a straight node. That way, actually, I'm gonna set this as root node. Let's just make a quick test. New scene. Yeah, okay. So that will make it so that by default it'll destroy itself, but we should set it to whatever parent it's gonna be when we make it. So if we make an NPC node, then NPC event node, then it has an event and it has an interactable component. And it has an NPC component. Okay. We will close. So ideally, this will be right after init happens. So we won't even get to executing this. But what I want to do actually is event utilities, complete event. So we complete the event. Okay. Theoretically, maybe this will work. We complete the event. Okay, so this is one of the issues, I think. With this here. Really, if the event doesn't have a valid configuration, we're just going to exit out because there's nothing to complete. I mean, mark it as true because for now we don't have anything else to do. Actually, technically, it marks it as true, and then we do, how can you, Godot execute. Okay. So what we want to do is take the events, post-event script. Post-event script. What new? So. I see. Okay, so this makes a new script instance. Can I just make a functor? I guess we could do a functor. I have a function ref. What is a? Oh, but that's the old. That's 2.0. Wait. I think it's just PD script. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay, so we've marked it's a valid configuration. We're gonna add it to our lazy loader, and we're gonna do the post event script. Not really like it's like there's a process thing. Yeah, I cannot use stuff yet. I think so. Can we just tell it the process? That's right. Would it automatically destroy this? Well, yeah, I guess it would. I don't think I could delete it. I'm not adding it as a child or anything either. This might be okay, maybe? Non-existent function destroy event. Okay. What? There we go. Oh, yeah, I forgot that that's still wonky. We'll get there. You'd think that'd be the first thing I'd fix. delete this. I'm going to assume this will be fine. We add it, then we do the post-event script. Yeah, having a process makes sense, I think. Because I'm only going to trigger these ones. I don't know about this one yet. Thinking. Is there anything else? For the event holder? I don't think so. Completing the event, we do that. Okay. Because there'll be an event manager. It won't be right now the Constance is kind of doing everything. So there'll be an event manager. So it can hold on to the event holder. So maybe I'll do like if we don't have an event, or we're not going to destroy it, we'll return, otherwise we'll complete the event. That way the event script is when it's completed. And then the event manager can do this. Just trying to figure out. No, that's probably fine. Okay, let me. We don't need this. Delete. Alright, so we added a event tracker and event holder. Yeah, starting the event's the more complicated part. Because you need a cutscene manager and there's other stuff. Game state is really important at this point. I guess if I'm using the I'm thinking about it. If we're using the G-drama scripts, that's basically a dialogue system. I have to look into that. Yeah. Because a dialogue system is a bit, yeah. It's easier for cutscenes, but like if you walk up to a sign, that's not a cutscene. Maybe I'll rename event to cutscene or something. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Just because I'm tired, and we got quite a few things done. Like we got unit tests in here now. We fixed a bug or two. The event system stuff is in here, so that's a good start to that. And I'm thinking next time we'll do for ELISE, probably at the end of this month, maybe. We'll do the rest of the event stuff. Well, not really the event, the game state machine. We can get that going. Because once we have the state machine in, then we can start adding things like transitions and stuff like that. So that'll be good. So yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for joining. Tuesday, I think we're gonna do Godot like game dev. I think I might have recovered mentally by then. We'll see. I haven't gotten any bug reports yet, so thank goodness. In which case, what are we gonna be doing? We might be doing some low-hanging improvements, just to get them done, or maps or something. We'll see. So that's the plan. So thank you for joining. Have a good rest of your weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday. All right. Good night. Goodbye.